Normally I'd be the one to pump the brakes. The minute things get good, I cut it just in case. Like make up an excuse, put on a poker face. But ever since you came along, I've changed my ways. Yeah, you make me feel like a queen, growing out of my mind, dancing on top of the ceiling. I can't tell if it's fake or make believe, but whatever you're giving me, I know that I need it. You're making me lose it. I'd rather ride, I'd rather ride. I don't wanna do it, but I just might call you up and tell you how I'm feeling about you now. I don't wanna wait another hour for you. Didn't think I'd ever have the confidence to be okay with letting someone like you in, but somehow you've gotten underneath my skin. Oh, I could get used to it, I could get used to it.